Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who this is from. Well, if I can get the bag open, this is quite the bag full. Hang on. Hang in there. Okay. This is from OneDaySaving, and it's going to be in 2 parts. I'll be right back, and we'll start part 1. Right, so let's open the first one, and it is a 55 by 40. And I'm not sure. I think it was 1071. I'll get it out of the bag here first. All right. Isn't that pretty? They look like parrot tulips. Does it go? No, just a bit. Kind of folded it right on the edge. Comes with a nice big huge paper pattern. Has 38 colors. We have a little discoloration here, but it doesn't detract from what the actual, what do you call it? What the actual pattern is. You can still tell that this red carries through, and then the yellow. So other than that, it's got a little smear down here, but doesn't smear the actual pattern. It's like it was all folded up there. And it's on that shiny paper. Let me open this up. And it does have the products, or how to start, how to finish, how to choose your threads, that kind of thing. It does have the product number, how big it is, and it's 213 by 148. But I just loved the way it looked. I love all the pink colors. Just beautiful. So we'll see what the colors look like. But the pattern is big. It's huge. I mean, it's like almost 11 count. So it's very easy to read, except for those little blotches over there. But I'm not concerned. Now the paper pattern will match the canvas. Not that the blotches will be there, but you know what I mean. Okay, let's see here. It does come with 5 needles. I had to count carefully. 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader, and it's some kind of a blossom. We haven't decided what it is yet, but let's look at the colors. So I'm glad they're kind of a goldy tone to them. Put that down there. Did come bagged separately, so I like that about the threads. They're usually not too terribly much of a mess. But do you see what I mean? They have a nice gold look to them. Not these, but beautiful reds. Just gorgeous. Hang on, let me give it a shake here. Get everybody, they put all the thread on here, including anything that was an extra hank. But they kind of have an autumn feel to them, if you will. I love these colors here. They're going to be like the backgrounds. Very beautiful. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And you got some green, brown, even some 310 black. Just beautiful, beautiful colors. So that might be one to start in autumn. How's that? Or in the fall. Put that up there. That's a lot of thread. Holy cow. This pattern is serged. Canvas is serged all the way around. Nice big key along the side that will match the paper pattern. Beautiful. And the stitching doesn't go into the numbers. And it's printed very darkly. There's no problem with the canvas. I don't see any smears on this. So I don't know what that was. Looks like grease almost, but it doesn't feel like grease. So, very nice. Big, huge, gigantuous. And you got some big areas. Does have a little bit of confetti here and there, just kind of poof, poof, poof. Then it has rivers of colors. Let's take a look and see how big this is going to be. Whoops. All right, it is 56 centimeters or 22 inches. And this way, it is 40 and a half centimeters or 16 inches. 13 and a half or 34. And this way, oh please stay, is 50 centimeters or about 19 3/4. So it's a nice size. And I like that the flowers are huge. They're just ginormous. Let me get you up just a bit so we can see what's going on here. But I mean, my whole hand is as big as, that's one flower right there. So very nice, very big. You get to see all the details. But yeah, I like that one. And the next one, get it out of its bag here, if I can figure out how to open it. Put that up there. Okay. And I'm going to hold this as still as possible. Hope you can see that. It's kind of a rosy, pinkish colored tree with a planet behind it. But I just thought all the colors were just gorgeous on this. There's no big picture. It does have the product number, and it's a 40 by 50. You flip it over. It's 147 by 190. Very nice. 40 colors. Is that what that says? Yeah, 40 colors. And it has no 310 black. So let's keep looking. It does have 823, which is a dark navy, if you will. It does have some 939. No 3371, which is a brown. And no 3865. So, cool. Nice big pattern, very easy to read. I'll bring it up, but see how well printed that is? You can see all the symbols. It does have some confetti running through it here and there. Nice big areas like surrounding the tree in that background. That must be your 939. But it also has rivers of color. A little confetti here, a little confetti there, and up in the branches. But not too bad. So, yay! And the paper pattern will match the canvas. I hope I didn't say that twice. It does come with a kit or a piece of paper showing you how to start and how to finish. And this one was $10.71 as well. So, yay. Now, let's get the colors. Look at those colors. Oh my goodness. Can't wait. Okay, there's 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. And we also have a blossom again. Put that up there. Well, if I can figure out how to get it open. Look at something. Okay. I like when they do this. And this one I'm saving only because it has hanks. So you have 939, 939, and it looks like 154. Yep, 154 is that plum colored. So very beautiful, beautiful colors. Lots and lots of thread. Let me see if I can shake it down a minute. Look at the blues and the teals and the greens. Oh my goodness. Yes, yummy. Oh, wait till you see this one. Oh, you think that's good. Look at those yummy, yummy colors. Teals, turquoises, greens, rose colors. Really vibrant rose, like a magenta, a medium rose. Over here, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different colors of blue. And some more pinks. And some, oh, it's like a brick red. Not dark, but like a medium brick red. And there is your plum color, 154. So very beautiful, beautiful colors. Oh, stunning. Yep. Look at that together. Isn't that yummy? Oh, can't handle it. Let me put these in here. Roll it up so we don't lose anything. There'll be a crinkle. Okay. Let's take a look at that canvas. It is serged all the way around. I'm just cutting the little fringes off here. That is, if I can get it off of my fingers. Very nice canvas. Like, it's not very wide. Sometimes they get so wide you just can't deal. Very nice key running down the side. Canvas is very well printed. Very easy to read symbols. I'll hold it still. Very nice. Just very nice indeed. But it'll take a hot moment because, yeah, there's a little more confetti than I saw on that paper pattern. But it does have some big river colors. Very nice. Let's see what it measures out to be. Does have the product number, how big it is here, and how many squares per square there. I'm going to move those silly scissors just cause, you know. Last thing I need to do is have that drop on my foot. Okay, it's 20 inches or almost, or a little over 50 and a half by 40 and a half centimeters or 16 inches. So the picture is, come on, 13 and a quarter or 33 and a half by 44 and a half or 17 and a half centimeters. So yeah, I'm looking really forward to working on this. The colors are just out of this world. Ugh. And I'm so glad it's so well printed. So easy to see. Good choice of symbols. Very nice. We're going to have to start this one very soon. Very, very, very soon. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. All right. Now that is all that I got. And this is part 1. I will have part 2 next Thursday. So, yeah. Stay tuned for that. There'll be 3 more patterns to look at. Now, One Day Savings does have free shipping. I think it's over $50. And if they have any specials, I'll put that in the description box below. They have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by number. And they have paper quilling, some beaded cross-stitch. They have tools and crafts for all 3 of those. And yeah, they always have a lovely, lovely selection of things to pick from. So you're never, you know, at a want for choices, you know. So do join me next week for part 2 of this review. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.